guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty of Beauty's Eden, where we bring you all things beauty, lifestyle and holistic health. In this video I'll show you how to make a very effective deep conditioning treatment. So I recently had a baby and I've been going through the postpartum hair loss phase, and it's been really epic. Like, my entire hairline is gone. So I decided to come up with this regimen as well as some other recipes that I'll be sharing and unpacking with you as we go along. And very quickly I'll introduce to you what we'll be using for this recipe. The first thing here is flaxseed. We'll need a little bit of flaxseed because I want an extra slip. I want the hair to have extra slip. Like I said, I lost quite a lot of hair, so I need something to help with slip. And then secondly, I have mustard seed oil here. Mustard seed oil. It's called lamb oil, but it's actually mustard seed as well. And then again, we have the black palm kernel oil. I recently made a video talking about the benefits of this oil, the health and spiritual benefits of this oil. And in all honesty, guys, I am not able to exhaust all of its benefits. This oil is really, really powerful. And then again, I have my clove oil. I made a video about this as well. Clove oil, you can see the clove beneath. I've left it over time to continue to infuse, so I'll be using a little bit of this oil today. And then again, I have my almighty hair mayonnaise oil. Hair mayonnaise. It's made by organics. Yeah, so I'll use a little bit of that. I'll use banana as well. I have done a banana deep conditioning treatment some time ago, maybe 2-3 years ago. One time my hair, it literally brings back life to your hair. It restores life to your hair, basically. And then I'll use a little bit of chebe powder. But before we go along, guys, I'll need to put this on fire. I need to boil it to extract the gel. So I'll be right back afterwards. I have placed this in a pot of water and allowed to boil, so it's boiled now and jelly. I'll go ahead to extract the gel. So this is me trying to transfer the flaxseed gel to a sieve. I'm trying to sieve out the gel. So guys, the gel isn't coming out so much because I didn't add too much water. I added very little water, and that's exactly how I want it because I don't want it to run. So I'm trying to get out as much gel as possible. So you can see, I don't know if you can see, that's the consistency I'm going for. So once I'm done, I'll transfer it to a blender and then I'll blend it and get back to you.
To watch the morning news doesn't work no more, but tells a lot of stories about youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But a shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, Our heroes, so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes, so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes, so they got old. Our heroes, so they got old. Our heroes, so they got old. These masks they fade because her dad only visits once a month. Since she got a family of her own, it's kept the two apart. Used to have so many visitors, but now the only one is the nurse that helps her move the chair to look out at the sun. But a shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes, so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes, so they got old.
So guys, you can see my hairline is gone. I'll insert pictures for you to see. I washed my hair yesterday, and like my hairline and most of my hair literally chopped off. I wouldn't say most, yeah, but a good chunk of my hair chopped off, as well as my hairline. So I'll do my best to see what I can do to rejuvenate my hair. So guys, I've gone ahead to put on plastic, and I'll leave this on for 1 hour to heat up, my hair. And once that is done, I'll wash off and style.